Hello everyone! It's Mary Ann. Today is Tuesday after work. So, the topic for today, it is about going home to the Philippines. 2 years ago, I was in the Philippines because my brother died, unfortunately. And last year, I was in the Philippines because I attended my niece's wedding. And next month, I'll be going to the Philippines to attend my nephew's wedding. Prior to 2 years ago, I was only going home like every 5 years or every 6 years. And there was a time I went home after 10 years because that was the time I bought the house and it was very expensive to be going home. The reason why I'm doing this video because every time I go home and I don't know about others, I noticed that Filipino expectations when you go home to the Philippines. Because based on my experience, I'm getting messages and they're asking for number one that they are asking, or the expectations when a person coming from America to the Philippines, number one is gift. They are expecting gifts. Okay? And they are not even family members. And they think that money grows on trees. So they think that if we go home to the Philippines, we can afford to give gifts to 100 people, 30 people, 10 people, and all that. It is very expensive to buy gifts. And I don't know who can afford it, but I cannot afford to be buying gifts to everybody who asked for gifts when we go home. And I am only a worker in United States. I have a family here too. The reason why I'm going home because it's a wedding. And as I get older, I wanted to go home at least once a year because we are 9 in the family and I'm the 7th. Our oldest brother 2 years ago, and that was very, very sad for our family because we love him. He was our big brother. He was really a big brother to us. So as much as possible, I will try to go home every year. Before, I was going home every 10 years, 6 years because going home to the Philippines is very expensive. The plane ticket alone is very expensive. Plus, you're always thinking about bringing gifts. I totally changed that now. The purpose of my going home is to be with my family. It's not about bringing gifts or buying gifts for them. What is important is my bonding with them, the time that I will be spending with them. So that's the number one that most Filipinos are expecting when we go home to the Philippines. Gifts. Last year, I went home and I was already back in United States and I got a message. Oh, already back in America, and it was my gift. Imagine that. She's expecting me maybe to send her money back home because I did not give her any gifts. So anyway, am I obligated to give gifts when I go home? No, I don't have to. So I don't know why Filipinos thinks that money grows on trees in America, and when you go home, they expect gifts. You know, only a worker here, and I have responsibilities also. Same thing with them. They're also workers in the Philippines. So it's the same thing. Whether I live in US, I live in the Philippines, it's the same thing. Another thing that they expect is financial assistance. Okay, when you go back home, You're supposed to relax and enjoy the vacation. But a lot of people coming and approaching to borrow money, to loan their land, or ask money. I mean, how can you enjoy your vacation listening to all of this, right? So, some people I know, that's the reason why they don't want to go to the Philippines for vacation. They always say they rather go to Europe or other countries because when they go to the Philippines, it will not be an enjoyable vacation sometimes because you will hear all the problems and the issues of friends, co-workers. So how can you enjoy vacation if you will be entertaining all of their problems, right? Going home to the Philippines should be entertaining and should not worry about their problem, because that's the reason why that the person is going to the Philippines. That's the reason why I wanted to go to the Philippines, to see my brothers and sisters, not to worry about people needing money, because money does not grow on trees here in America. Whatever money we make here, it's an hard-earned money, and we value it. So that's another thing. So number one is gifts. Second is financial assistance. You will hear all the issues and the problems about money when you go home. Of course, the rest are understandable, like family reunion. That's okay. Sometimes they expect family reunion. That's okay. You know, with some food. Expectation would be integration, like, you know, doing some business ventures. That's okay too, because you can always do business ventures, but you make the decision what is best for you, right? Do not get involved or fall into scam with people trying to make business with you and scam you. So others would be cultural heritage, get together and enjoy our culture in terms of food. You know, especially with food. We go home and we really enjoy our food together with our relatives. So, I'll be facing when I go home. And hopefully, less of this. I will understand if it is my brothers and sisters, but they don't even ask, or they don't demand my own relatives, because they understand that I work very, very hard here. I don't know about you, and I'm sure this is not only applicable to Filipinos, and it's also applicable to other culture, but the expectation sometimes depends on the duration of stay in the Philippines. Like, you know, you only stays there for 2 weeks. Like in my case, I only stays there 2 weeks in the Philippines because I have to come back here to US because I have a job and I have a family here too. So anyway, so I just want to share to you the expectations of Filipinos when a Filipina American woman or a Filipino American man goes back to the Philippines. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye!